Guys, Ethiopia is taking technology to the next level. I'm gonna be sharing some couple of videos with you to watch. In some years to come, there is no country in Africa that is gonna be beating Ethiopia when it comes to technology, because they are going far. They have gone beyond what you expected. They have gone beyond your imagination. Let's take a look at some of the videos, and as you're watching, do so well to like the video, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel.
Guys, something amazing is happening in Ethiopia. These guys are taking the smart world to another level. You know, one thing I like about the way Ethiopia is going, especially the city of Addis Ababa, is that is a world-class standard city, right? And they have not ended there. They have proceeded to creating a smart police station. This means that if you maybe get to lose your document, you want to report crime, you are assaulted, something is happening, you don't necessarily need to run to a police station. You can go to a smart police station and use the smart buttons and register crime, register theft, register whatever you want to register. And that is not all. They also have a feature where you can literally book to have a conversation with a police officer online without necessarily moving to a physical police station. People, trust me, while other African leaders are sleeping, they cannot even provide water for their citizens to drink. Ethiopia keeps growing. They keep moving from one step to another. And it's going to go from Addis to other cities in Ethiopia. I just want to say congrats to the government of Ethiopia, for they are doing an amazing job.
Okay, this is the strangest thing we have stumbled upon in Ethiopia. This is just a regular lamppost, right? Turns out though, it says it's got wireless charging. So, let's see, is it gonna work? And over here, you've got USB. USB-C is wild. Not even like planes have that right now. You just plug in and charge here as well. Damn! See you later. That thing will be gone in 2 minutes. What do we think? Is this a good idea or not?
Big news from Ethiopia. Ethiopia could soon become one of Africa's biggest electric vehicle hubs. The government has just launched a new 2025 to 2030 electric mobility roadmap aimed at transforming transportation across the country. The plan includes building more EV charging stations, expanding electric public transport, boosting local vehicle assembly, developing battery industries, and creating thousands of new tech and manufacturing jobs. Officials say the move will reduce dependence on imported fuel, cut emissions, and help build a cleaner, greener economy. As electric vehicle adoption grows across Africa, Ethiopia is making a major bet on the future of clean transportation. Could Ethiopia become Africa's EV leader? Let me know what you think in the comments.
ሄዶ ደግሞ ፈንጂ ላያቸው ለጭ ነው። አሁን ይሄኛው 4.5 ኪሎ ግራም ነው የሚይዘው። ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ያቺኛው ሁለት ትንሿ ሁለት አካባቢ ትይዘው። እነዚህው በሳይዛቸው ከፍ ያሉ ናቸው። ይሄ የካታፑልት ላውንች የሚጠቀሙ ናቸው። ካታፑልት ላውንች ማለት ይሄ መወርወር የሚባለውን ላውንቺንግ ሲስተም የሚጠቀሙ ናቸው። እንግዲህ እነዚህ ሁሉ የሚሰሩት እዚሁ ነው፣ እኛ ጋር ነው የሚሰሩት ማለት ነው። እዛ ጋር ደግሞ ጃመር ዲቫይስ ታይኛል። ጃም ማድረጊያ ነው እዛ ጋር የምትመለከቱት። ና እሱንም ምን ይሆናል? አው ቅድም አይተናል። ቅድም ኤክስፕሌን ተደርጓል። ይሄኛው እቺኛዋ ነች እንግዲህ ይሄ ዲቴክሽን እና ጃሚንግ የሚሰራባቸው ናቸው። እነዚህ ከላይ አንቴና ያላቸው የምትመለከቷቸው ዲቴክሽን የሚሰራባቸው ናቸው። ዲቴክሽን ማለት በአካባቢ ድሮን አለ ወይ የለም ወይ የሚባለው ነገር የሚታይበት ነው። ይሄኛው ደግሞ ጃም ማድረጊያ ዲቫይስ ነው። ተመለከቱ፣ ቻርጅ የሚደረግ ነው። ትልበላት ነፍስ ወከፍ በአንድ ሰው መያዝ የሚችለው እንደምታዩት እዚህ ጋር ተይዞ የሚበር ድሮን ኤኒ ካይንድ ኦፍ የሚበር ድሮኖች አየር ላይ ኢንተርሴፕት ለማድረግና ጃም ለማድረግ የሚጠቀምበት ነው። ያው ወጫቸው ማነስተኛ ነው። ነፍስ ወከፍ መያዝ ይችላል። ዲቴክት ከማድረግ ጀምሮ ድሮን ከአየር ላይ እስከ ማውረድ ድረስ የሚያገለግሉ ናቸው ማለት ነውና ይሄም እዚሁ ነው። ስካይ ፌንድ ይላል። ስካይ ዲፌንድ ከሚሆን የመጣው ዲፌንድ ከማድረግ ስካይ ማለት ነውና እነዚህ ደግሞ እዛው ስቴሽነሪ ወር ደግሞ የማይንቀሳቀሱ በአንድ ቦታ ላይ ቆመው ዲፌንስ የሚሰሩ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ይሄን መስራት ስካይ ዊን የተባለው ሀገር በቀል የድሮን መገጣጠሚያና ድሮን መስሪያ እነዚህን ስራዎች የሰራ ነው።
These drones are made in Africa by Ethiopian engineers inside this massive factory. The new drone factory is part of Ethiopia's plan to become technologically independent. You see, one of the biggest challenges African nations face is long delays when purchasing defense equipment. Even after paying, shipments can sometimes take months or even years to arrive. With this new drone factory, Ethiopia is hoping to become technologically independent, get things done faster, and create jobs for its young professionals.
ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ እንግዲህ ከሮቦት ጋር ልንውል ነው። የሮቦት ቭሎግ ነው ዛሬ የምናየው። ደስታ ትባላለች። ተዋውቋት። የመጀመሪያ ልደቷን ስታከብር ቦታው ላይ በመገኘት ነው ይህንን ቪዲዮ እየሰራ ያለሁት። ስለ ደስታ ጥቂት ልበላችሁ። የኤአይ ወይም የአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ሮቦት ስትሆን ከዚህ በፊት የምታውቋት የሶፊያ ሮቦት እህት ነች። ደስታ አማርኛ መናገር ትችላለች። ይህም የሆነው እንግዲህ በአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ኢንስቲትዩት አማካኝነት ነው። አማርኛን አቀላጥፋ ነው የምትናገረው። እንዲህም ብላ ነበር ዛሬ እንደ ሮቦት ዋነኛው አገልግሎቴ ውስብስብ የሆኑ የቴክኖሎጂ ውጤቶች እና አሰራሮችን ለሰዎች አረዳድ ቀለል ማድረግ ነው ብላለች። ወይ ጉድ! ጭራሽ የሮቦት ቃል አቀባይ ልሁን። ደስታን እንግዲህ ያበለጠጓት አይኮግ ላብስ፣ ሃይብሪድ ዲዛይን፣ የኢትዮጵያ አርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ኢንስቲትዩት ከኢትዮ ቴሌኮም እና ከኢትዮጵያን ኤርላይንስ ጋር በመሆኑ እንግዲህ ይሄ ሁሉ ተቋም ተረባርቦባታል። የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን ተጠይቃ እየመለሰች ነበር። በጣም በርካታ ሰዎች ነበሩ። የቴክ ትራቭል ዩቲዩብ ቻናሌ ላይ ሙሉ ቪዲዮ ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። ስለ ደስታ ምን ተሰማችሁ?
Ethiopia unveils its first ever unmanned police service. On February 9th, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed officially launched Ethiopia's first unmanned or smart police service, marking a new step in the country's push toward digital governance. The Prime Minister said the service uses modern technology to make police services faster and more accessible to the public. He explained that the smart police service will help law enforcement respond more quickly, improve crime prevention, and boost efficiency. The initiative is part of broader police reforms under the Digital Ethiopia 2030 strategy, aimed at building a more capable and competitive security system.
I told you guys earlier on that Ethiopia is one of the countries in Africa that was never colonized, and they are making sure that their country is developing. When it comes to technology, Ethiopia is fast growing. In all countries in Africa, Ethiopia is growing. They have drones. They have a lot of things. In fact, technologically, Ethiopia is growing fast, and every other countries in Africa should emulate Ethiopia and how the country is making sure that things are stable and technologically everything is working fine in Ethiopia. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe.